Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to change server or state in Whiteout Survival. Alright, let's begin. First, open Whiteout Survival, then go to your profile in the upper left corner of your screen. While in the Profile tab, tap on Settings. In the Settings tab, select Characters. Now click on Create New Character. Here you will see the list of states or servers available to choose from. If you want to switch servers, you need to create a new character in a different state. Keep in mind that only 2 characters can be created per state. Once you have selected a server, complete the character creation process. After that, you can switch between characters from the Characters tab whenever needed. If your goal is to join friends in a specific state, make sure to check their server before selecting one. You will not be able to transfer an existing character to a different state. If you have reached the character limit in a state, you will need to delete one before creating another. However, deleting a character is permanent, so proceed with caution. So that's basically how you can change server or state in Whiteout Survival. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.